What is a wet vent?
Well, technically what he has is called an island vent. He has a peninsula, he said. So I'm going to assume that island you don't want the vent coming up where you can visually see it. So in an island vent, it kind of the drain goes back over on itself inside of that little half wall, and then it goes towards the sewer underneath the home. But at some point in time, there's going to be a Y right there that'll go over to a different wall, and that vent will then go up out through the roof. So specific terms that we kind of use, everyone's got different ones, but we call it an island vent.
And the point of the venting and plumbing is to help the water flow.
Yeah, so if you turn over your water jug, you just open your water bottle, you turn it over, it's going to chug, doop, doop, doop. Poke a small hole in the bottom, it's going to flow right out. So that can cause slow drains, but I tend to see either bellies in the line or grease buildup, something else is going on. It's not usually a vent plug because nothing is normally getting into the vent, especially on an island. There's really nothing to get in there.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.